Alright, we have a 60-inch pan here, and it has 6 blades for the power trowel. So we're going to match that up with 14-inch tool holders, 1 for each blade, so 6 of them. We're going to open up these, save the template, some instructions, and the actual tool holder. Get rid of the box. These are 13 millimeter. Go ahead and get rid of those for now. Set them to the side. I just keep this to kind of match up with my dots from the template. You can set this to the side as well. So from here, you can see it has 4 small holes. And basically we just want to kind of match it up with the end of where the power trowel pan is. So what I'm going to do is just line it up. Make sure that it's not going to come extend past the floor pan. And that looks about right there. Take you a Sharpie. There we go. Got 4 dots. And then we take a couple drill bits. Just want to get a pilot hole to make sure we're going nice and straight. Step it up to the bigger bits as you go. I'm just doing one for the sake of time here. My drill bit's cold. Alright, we have a spot for 1 tool holder. Just go ahead and get these started. Should line up beautifully. Go ahead and get all those bolts started by hand. Make sure you're not cross-threading them. Now that I've got them all 4 started, come back with the impact. There you go. 1 install.